Want to create high quality short videos in seconds? Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, Short.AI is here to revolutionize how you make videos. Stick around to see how this AI powered tool can generate stunning, engaging shorts effortlessly. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm introducing you to Short.AI, an incredible platform that uses artificial intelligence to generate short form videos instantly. If you're looking to save time and create viral content with minimal effort, this tool is for you. Let's dive into how it works. What is Short.AI? Short.AI is an innovative AI-driven video creation tool that helps you generate short-form content, whether for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or social media ads. It automates everything from script writing to visuals, allowing you to produce professional quality videos in minutes. Key features of Short.AI. Checkmark AI-powered video generation. Just enter your topic and Short.AI will create a full video with visuals, animations, and captions. Pre-made templates. Choose from a variety of styles to match your brand or niche. Voiceover and text to speech. No need for recording. AI-generated voices make narration easy. Auto editing and effects. The AI automatically adds transitions, music, and effects for a polished finish. Instant export and sharing. Download or publish your video directly to social media platforms. How to use Short.AI? One sign up. Head to Short.AI and create a free account. 2. Enter your topic. Simply type in a topic or upload text and the AI will generate a script. 3. Customize your video. Choose a style, tweak the text, add branding, and select a voiceover. 4. Generate and download. Let the AI do its magic and get a ready-to-post short video in seconds. Why use Short.AI? If you're a creator looking to produce engaging content faster or a business wanting to enhance your marketing efforts, Short.AI is a game changer. It's fast, efficient, and requires zero video editing skills. Conclusion. Short.AI makes video creation effortless and accessible for everyone. Whether you're growing your brand or just having fun, this AI tool will help you stand out. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Sign up now at Short.AI and start creating. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tools and content creation hacks.